Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a jewelry haul from Linjer. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we are talking about jewelry. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, I have a jewelry haul for you guys today. As you know, I did work with Linjer a couple of months ago on some of their jewelry pieces, and they are kindly sponsoring this video today. So I can't wait to show you the pieces that I got, and I will be talking over the pieces that I got last time and kind of giving you an update on the wear and tear, what they're looking like now, how often I wear the pieces, and all that good stuff. So I have two pieces to show you from Linjer today, so let me go ahead and get started. The first piece, I have them in these two little things. The first piece I'm actually wearing, I've been wearing this one for quite some time. Like since I got it, I really love this piece, but I will show you that one probably last because it's honestly my favorite. I love both of these pieces, but this one that I have here is my favorite. So let me talk about this piece, this extra piece that I got. So it always comes in this cute little packaging. I love the pink packaging. It's very Barbie. The Barbie movie is coming out really soon. It's very Barbie core. And as you guys know, I am a sucker for rings. I love rings. Rings are like some of my favorite accessories. So I did pick out a ring. They did send me these as well very graciously, so thank you so much to them. But I did get to pick them out, and I wanted to get this one the last time I worked with them. But I was like so overwhelmed and so excited, and I saw a few other pieces that I liked a little bit more. So now that they wanted to work with me again, I was so excited because I was like, oh my God, 1,000,000%. I knew that I was gonna buy this ring. So here's what she looks like. She is absolutely stunning. And of course I'll show other pictures on my phone, like in the sunlight and stuff, but here's what she looks like on this camera. It is stunning. I love it so much. This is, I want to say, the Freya ring. Yeah, Freya leaf ring in gold. I got mine in a size 6. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Are you kidding me? It's so pretty. It's very comfortable. I have been wearing this pretty regularly since I've got it. I've had these pieces for about going on a month now, and I have been wearing them pretty often just to kind of like see how they wear, how it works. And I haven't had any issues with this. It doesn't like snag on clothes or anything like that. That's one thing that I was worried about because I do wear a lot of sweaters, as you know. But yeah, it doesn't snag on clothes. I haven't had any issue with it, and it's just beautiful. I like how it's not huge or anything, like it's not like really big, but it's got a little substance there. Like it's not tiny either. I love tiny dainty rings as well, like this one over here. This one's also from Linjer, but I like how this one has a little bit of chunk to it. She's a little thick. Anyways, let me go over this ring. This does come in gold and silver, so if you're not a gold girly, they do have a silver option. It's gold vermeil, so it's not going to be your solid gold, but that's okay because it's $59, so it's very affordable, and you're still getting gold vermeil, which is still really great quality, and it is white cubic zirconia. That is what gives like the diamondy effect. And then it comes in sizes 3 to 10, so you could rock this as a pinky ring as well if you wanted to. It says the leaf ring Freya is named after the Norwegian goddess of love and beauty. This delicate ring brings forth the divine in anyone who wears it, which I would happen to agree with that because I think it's beautiful. It is recycled gold. It's gold vermeil, and let me read a little bit about this to you here. This piece is true gold vermeil. It has recycled 925 silver at its core and is plated with a thick layer of gold measuring 2.5 to 3 microns. This is 5 times thicker and longer lasting than regular gold plated jewelry, and 100 times thicker than regular flash plated jewelry. They use 14 karat gold for its beautiful, elegant hue. And it is quite a yellow gold. It's not going to be like rose gold or like a light gold. It is definitely a quite yellow gold, which I love. So there's that again. And again, it's $59. And normally a ring that looks like this at this value, at this quality, would cost $190. So almost 200 bucks down to 59 is insane, incredible. I love it so much. And then my next piece that I want to show, listen, I'm gonna be totally transparent with you guys. They did give me like a budget to spend on their website to look at stuff. I spent the majority of the budget on this. Like 95% of the budget I spent on this item because I loved it so much. And it is this. Let me zoom you in. Are you seeing this right now? It is this beautiful, stunning gold tennis necklace. As you guys know, I do have a tennis bracelet from Linjer that I have literally not taken off since I received it in the mail. I love this piece. It's very classy. It's stunning. I love it. This just took it to a whole new level for me. I have been wanting a tennis necklace for such a long time, and all the tennis necklaces that I see online, they're like thousands of dollars, and I'm just like, maybe not. But this one, oh my God, it's beautiful. I mean, they're not real diamonds, probably cubic zirconia. I'll double check here in a minute when I read it, but it's so beautiful. It sparkles like diamonds. Honestly, no one would be able to tell that it's not real diamonds, and it's so classy. It's so beautiful. I am obsessed with this piece. I have been wearing this almost every single day since I received it. Oh my gosh. And just like, look, when you have your hair down and it's just like tousled and like blown to the wind, you're just like, oh, look at my necklace. I love this necklace so much. And like, I understand that they did send me these pieces for free, but all of my thoughts are my own, and I love this. I haven't had any issue with Linjer jewelry since I've been wearing it. And I have a couple other pieces that I want to like share my experience while wearing, like wear and tear, all that good stuff. So I will go through all of that as well, but I wanted to look up this tennis necklace. Now I want to say that they have this tennis necklace in gold and silver. Yes, so they do have gold vermil and they have silver, just silver. So either one of these would be absolutely beautiful. I'm a gold girly, that's just my vibe. And this does retail for $165 compared to an estimated retail value of $300. So you're pretty much getting it half price. And one thing that I love about this tennis necklace in particular is that it's like a full tennis necklace. I've seen some in the past where the diamonds like stop halfway, like here, and they don't go all the way around. This goes all the way around. There are diamonds everywhere. No matter which way you look at it, there's always going to be some kind of shininess. And this says, while traditional tennis necklaces are made of diamonds, this gold version is made of cubic zirconia stones that sparkle just as brilliantly as diamonds. The cubic zirconia size is 1.5 millimeters. And it is again made of recycled gold or silver, and it's gold vermil. And of course it does have the 5 times thicker plating just so it will last longer and that it won't rust and stuff. Now, I want to say normally I do shower with all of my jewelry on except for my rings. I normally shower with all my earrings on. I normally shower with necklaces on. I have not been showering with this piece just because I don't want to get it like dirty around the cubic zirconia. So I have not been wearing this one in the shower, but if you remember, I talked about this necklace. And I have been wearing this necklace literally every single day up until I received this one in the mail. And I did shower with this necklace on. Every single day I would shower with this on, and it got plenty of water on it. I would wash my hair, I would shower, and it still looks exactly the same as it did when I received it. This, if you remember, is the pearl necklace. It's like the June birthstone necklace, and it's got a mother of pearl in there, and it's on a gold chain. There's no rust, there's no tarnish. Even on the back, it looks incredible. Like, look at that. You cannot see any kind of like grain or rusting on this piece at all. I mean, of course, it's better if you don't wear any jewelry ever in water, in the shower. Even solid gold pieces. It's not gonna hurt it, but it's better if you don't. But this right here, been in the water every single day and literally no problems. I still love wearing this piece. It's one of my favorite pieces that I have, and it's really nice. I used to not like pearls, but I kind of have grown a little bit to like them. They've definitely grown on me. So I do definitely like this, but this one has just like taken over my soul. I wear this every day. I love it so much. And then of course I have my tennis bracelet that I have not removed since putting it on. Here's what she looks like. Let me zoom you in. And of course you've seen full videos of her in the sun whenever I did my previous video, so I will have that linked down below for you as well. But she's still going strong. This one I do wear in the shower also every single day, and again, it's fine. Literally, the gold plating looks perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It looks the same as when I took it out of the bag. And of course, you can shop any of these pieces for yourself if you would like to. I do have a discount code that I will put on screen right here, and then I will of course link Linjer down below. It'll be the first link below the like button, and then I will also categorize these as well. So I'll put the tennis bracelet, tennis necklace, each ring. I'll just categorize it all for you so it's easy to find, and then I'll just have the website link there as well in case you want to browse the website and find something else. But yeah, be sure to use my link down in the description if you want to shop for yourself. And thank you so much to Linjer again for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love these pieces, and they're some of my favorites that I have. But yeah, that was my quick little Linjer haul, as well as sharing my updates on the other pieces that I have received previously. And I don't have anything bad to say about this brand. I really enjoy this brand, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!